I'm gonna show you how to make caramel fudge bar. It's super delicious. You have cookie base and chewy caramel fudge on top. At first, we're gonna make the cookie base. To a bowl, add 2 eggs. Add 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Add half of a cup of butter at room temperature, that's 1 stick. Half of a teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Give it a good mix with the mixture. Add 1 3/4 of a cup of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it up just until everything is well combined. I will be using this 10 by 10 square baking tray. Make sure the base is lined with parchment paper or silicone mat. Transfer the dough to the baking tray and use some flour and your hands to even it out. Now get a fork and make some holes for air circulation so our giant cookie will bake evenly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 to 18 minutes. You'll make the fudge right after you pull out the cookie from the oven. Make sure your pot is extra clean and add half of a cup of sugar. Do not mix the sugar, but you can pick up the pot and swirl in the air if you need to. At medium heat, melt the sugar completely. It will turn brown and there should be no crystals. Don't burn the sugar, control it by picking the pot up and swirl in the air. When all sugar crystals melt completely, add 1/4 of a cup of butter, that's half of a stick. Give it a good mix until butter melts completely. And then add half of a can of condensed milk. Mix it up and make sure your heat is not on high because this can burn easily. Add half of a cup of white chocolate chips, but you can also use regular chocolate if you want chocolate flavor. Mix it up and then remove it from the heat. Pour the fudge onto the cookie crust. The fudge is sticky and it will stick to metal and wood, but it doesn't stick to silicone, so you can use any silicone tool to spread it evenly. Let the fudge cool down completely before taking it out or you'll break it. I'll decorate it with some melted chocolate on top. And once it sets completely, slice it and enjoy. This caramel fudge cookie bar is easy to make. It's super delicious. I love the combination of cookie and fudge together. Give me a like if you enjoyed watching this, subscribe for more, and I'll see you again soon.